and I am thankful for how you have always been in my corner, supporting me, pushing me to achieve my goals. And I love and I'm always thankful that no matter how many days or nights you have worked, you're always able to find a way to keep the wind in my sails. I know I can't always promise that I'll be home, but I promise to make the time that I spend together memorable and full of laughter. I promise to stand by you, follow you through the path of life sends us down.
So I need you, like a needle needs a vein, like my Uncle Joe in Oklahoma needs the rain. And I need you, like a lighthouse on the coast, like the Father and the Son need the Holy Ghost.
Dylan, 7 years ago when you asked me to grad, all that went through my mind was, oh my gosh, I just said yes to this boy, and all he's ever said to me was, wow, you're a fast typer. But here we are, 7 years later. Today, I get to marry you, my best friend, on this beautiful day. Love isn't about being perfect, it's about being true and real, and that's what you showed me from the day we met. Dylan, I love you for not only who you are, but who I am with you and what we create together. To love you in the good times and the bad times, to grow old with you, and always remember that every moment shared with you is a gift, to be your forever person and your loving wife.
Till the sun goes down again, 'cause I need you, like a needle needs a vein, like my Uncle Joe in Oklahoma needs the rain. I need you, like a lighthouse on the coast, like the Father and the Son need the Holy Ghost. I need you. Oh, I need you.
You've encouraged me to grow, to be courageous and adventurous. Your sense of humor, questionable dance moves, ability to put a smile on my face regardless of the situation, your supportiveness, your hugs, and the patience you have to my stubbornness are just some of the many qualities I love about you.
Kayla, my best friend and the love of my life. You're the most loving, caring, supporting, beautiful woman a man could ever ask for. I am grateful you are the one that I get to spend the rest of my life with as we build a future and a family. Michaela, I love you.
Before the graduation, Dylan unexpectedly asked Michaela to be his date, and she said her first yes.
I swear, every week after that, there was at least one bouquet of flowers either in her room or on the kitchen island for months after that.
Their dreams even went further when Dylan proposed to Michaela on December 21st, 2023, and that's when she said her next yes. A fun fact about Morgan is that Morgan took Michaela to get her nails done the day before Michaela got engaged.
Little do you guys know, Janessa was originally Michaela's date for grad.
And Dylan, I hope you have as much fun growing old with Michaela as I did growing up with her.
Michaela can't be happier to have a third daughter.
He is all that we wished for our daughter. And we are so happy that Michaela found her life partner and best friend.
And I promise, Michaela, to always love you more. And that's not saying I love you more than you love me, but that I love you more than the bad days, and I love you more than the days spent apart, but I love you more than anything.